Guys. Hala, hindi ko...
That is Alan singing.
You asked me if I love you, and I don't want my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than easily deny. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you.
Stars ako.
And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much. And then I close my eyes and hide.
Oh, stars ako.
I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Okay naman boses mo. I love nga eh.
Romance is all its strategy. Keeps me battling with my pride. But truly, security, something that can survive. I'm just another writer, so trust within my truth. A hesitance by spider, so sharp within my youth. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much. And I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I'd like to break you and drag you to your knees. At times I'd like to break through and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you and know how hard you try. I'll watch my love commence.
Ay, hindi ko
Pass me by.
At times
We're drifting.
still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much.
Ay, hindi ka ng
And I